Hey y'all, so today I'm going to make aloe powder. That was a request someone had. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is cut a leaf of aloe. Yeah, let's try this. This is an aloe plant that I bought here in China. This is going to be fun. Pretty large leaf. It's like almost a meter long aloe leaf. It's pretty big leaf. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this do you see that liquid that's draining there, that yellow substance? I'm gonna let that drain for a bit and then we will get started. So I'm back. I've got my aloe vera leaf. I've washed it already. I'm just gonna dry it. My yellow material was already drained and it's gone, so I'm just gonna now slice these as thin as I can, because now these have to be dried. And I want them to dry as fast as possible. So I have all this cut up. I did one leaf and these are going to shrink significantly after I dry them. You can dry it slowly in an oven on a low temperature, or you can use a dehydrator if you have one, or you can, well, for me, in China we have heated floors. I'm gonna lay this out and I will let them dry on their own, or you could put it out in the sun and let it dry as well if you have that luxury, but it's winter time now so I won't be able to. I have laid out some aloe slices here on this tray, so I'm gonna put this on my heated floors now until they're dry. I still have a few more slices left. Three days after putting my aloe vera leaf to dry, this is the result. Some hard, crisp aloe vera leaf. So as you see, the gel is actually pretty much very clear and hard and dried. And the leaf as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all of these leaves, put them into my coffee grinder, and I'm going to grind it all up. Now the drying time for everyone might be different depending on your drying method. So if you used an oven to dry yours, it will be a different time compared to if you used a dehydrator. But I just left mine to air dry in my warm apartment and on my heated floors. I left them there to dry. You can also try to use a blender. If you don't have a coffee grinder, try to use a blender and see if you get the same result. I ended up with a very fine powder. So once they've been ground in my coffee grinder, this is the result.